How to contact Instagram customer service. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily contact Instagram customer service. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you want to contact Instagram's customer service via phone, here's the number. However, you won't be able to speak with anyone because the number is entirely automated and will simply direct you to the help center. To contact Instagram through their help center, follow these steps. Open the Instagram app. Go to your profile. Then tap on the menu. Tap on settings. Tap on help. Tap on report a problem. Tap on report a problem without shaking. Briefly write here about your problem. You can also attach a screenshot. After you have finished writing, tap on this next button. If the problem is related to the app not working properly, you can keep this option on. If it's not related to the app, you can turn it off. And tap on send. You will get a reply from Instagram in around 24 to 48 hours. So this is how you can contact Instagram customer service.